A'udzubillahiminasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faris Ikhwan bin Rezal Isa. Before we started, have you seen the picture early before beginning of this video? If you see the picture, have you ever recognized it? Yeah, I think the design is usually familiar with our scene and wear by our national athlete in represent our country. Okay, before I started, actually there is a story about the design, the tiger design, that these things happen on 2011, which is there is a high court case filed by Majlis Sukan Negara to Mesuma Sendirian Berhad. Okay, before we go through the story, we tell you the relationship between Majlis Sukan Negara and Mesuma Sendirian Berhad. Actually, Majlis Sukan Negara is statutory body that formed in National Sport Act, and Mesuma Sendirian Berhad is the supplier for supporting goods for MSN. Okay, the design is actually the ownership of the design actually on MSN, which is the design have been created on an event which is collaboration with Ministry Youth and Sport. The competition on the design, the winner of the design will be selected as a design for our Malaysian national athlete in represent sport to our country. Okay, if you see the Mesuma Sendirian Berhad, the argument started actually when Mesuma Sendirian Berhad, the contract supplier for MSN, is registered the design on 2012 using Trademark Act, and the design has been registered and under two classes, which is classes 18 about animal stripes and uses of animal stripe, and classes 25 which is about sporting apparel. Okay, after they register the product on Trademark Act, MSN realized that Mesuma take the action to register, and MSN have filed a High Court case, which is an objection towards the design, and then the MSN as appellant and take action in courts of appeal to negotiate about this thing, but the court case stated, the court say that Mesuma Sendirian Berhad is actually not have right on the design, which is the design is actually produced and created by an event by Malaysia Majlis Sukan Negara and Malaysia Sport and Youth. That is the design actually uses for trade of making identity. Okay, the ownership also more to MSN because this is related to previous cases that if you can see in Malaysia, there's many cases about copyright. There's a product using similar copyright that similar to the first ownership. This thing also in this case, the first ownership is not claimed, but the others claim the design to register under Trademark Act. Okay, so as a result, in High Court case, Mesuma Senayan Berhad is dismissed with a cause. For the action for MSN, High Court say that actually these things is need to take an action earlier, because if you see the design is revealed on 2005 and first used in 2005 at SEA Games, and afterwards 2006 uses the design in Asian Games, and then the Mesuma Senayan Berhad register and claim the trademark on 2011. If you can see, there's too long gap, about 6-year gap, which is a long period. So MSN is need to take early action to register the design earlier, actually, before other parties do that. Okay, so in conclusion of this case, I want to tell you, as a producer, or if you want to making something for purpose selling for goods or something, you need to verify the source of the design, and also for the owner of the design, if you got a design or things that people don't have, you register earlier the product before the others claim. Okay, that's all I want to say today. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum.